Jackson and Reagan, this activity is called Which One Doesn't Belong. Your job is to look at the four numbers and think about which one do you think doesn't belong with the other numbers. Now, the cool thing about this activity is there's no wrong answer. Any of these numbers could be the one that doesn't belong as long as you have a reason for it and as long as you can say your reason.
Okay.
All right, let's get started. When you have an answer, you can give me a thumb to your chest. If you have a second number that you think might not belong, you can give me a second finger up. All right, Reagan, you can go first. Which number do you think doesn't belong?
I have two. So first, I think the 121 is wrong because the other ones are 1. The other ones are less numbers, but that's a 100 number.
Okay, Jackson, so Reagan is saying this number doesn't belong because this number is bigger than the others. Is there another way that she could possibly say that?
Because it has 3 places,
Okay,
digits,
okay.
and the other numbers only have 2 digits.
So Reagan, do you agree with what Jackson just said? He added on to what you said. And can you repeat what he just said? Are you able to repeat that, sweetie?
3 digits.
Yeah, so each of these are digits, and he's agreeing with you, and he's saying you're right. This number is bigger than the others. It has 3 digits, and what do the other numbers have?
Like 2 and 1.
Yes, 2 digits. Yes, so this one has 3 digits. This one has 2 digits, 2 digits, 2 digits. Good job. So 3 digits instead of 2 digits. All right, Jackson, did you have a different reason, or did you agree with Reagan?
I agreed, but I have another one.
Okay, go ahead.
13, because all the others have the number 20 in them, and 13 only has 10.
So Reagan, do you agree or disagree with that?
I agree.
Can you
That's
tell
what I was gonna say
Can you
too.
tell me more about that? What did Jackson just say there? This number has a 1 in the tens place, and it's different because the other numbers have a 2 in the tens place. Can you say that?
It's different because the 1 is in the 13, and in the other is a 2.
Good. And since that's a tens place, what is the actual value of that 2?
20.
20. Very good. So is there any other reason? So you all told me this number could be the one that doesn't belong. But you also said, or we could say this one is the one that doesn't belong. Is there any other number that we could say might not belong? In fact, think about skip counting. Is there any way that you can get to one of these numbers by skip counting? Yes.
By 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25.
Nice. So you're saying this one is different because you can get to it by counting by 5s. Can you get to 13 by counting by 5s?
No.
Can you get to 24 counting by 5s?
No.
What about 121? I don't think so.
No.
I don't agree.
No.
Okay, so you can get to 25 by skip counting by 5s. All right? Jackson.
You can skip count by 2
Okay, and
or
what
12.
That's true. You can skip count by 2s or 12. Let's go with 2s for a second here. Tell me more about numbers that you can get to when you can skip count by 2s.
They're always even.
They're always even. Reagan, do you know what an even number is?
Yes, all are even, and an even number is like 2 and 2 makes 4.
Yes.
Like partner, and an odd number is like 5. Partner. Oops, I'm left out.
Yes. So we can say this number is different because it's the only even number. Sorry about my handwriting. And we could also say it's different because you can get to it when you skip count by 2s. Well, this is pretty cool. There is no right or wrong answer. Every one of these could have been right depending on how you thought about it. And because you know so much about numbers, number relationships, and number concepts, you were able to find a reason why each of these were different. You said some of them are even. You can skip count to get to some of them. Some of them have different digits.